This is part 6, basic measures of statistics. We're looking at mode, median, mean and range. I'll just write them down for you straight away. Let me get this tablet out and we'll be on our sweet way. Okay, so here they are then. You know these for Key Stage 3. You've got the mode, most common. Again, we'll do a couple of questions just to illustrate these basic things. The median. You arrange all the items in order or lists of numbers, and then you pick the middle one. The mean, probably remember, is calculated by adding all the items. Then divide by the number. Alright, and the last basic statistic is called the range. For example, an age range would be the oldest take away the youngest, but generally speaking it will be the biggest number, then you take away the smallest. Alright, now if you're enjoying the scenery behind you there, that is taken from the beach in Fuerteventura. It's very nice, very warm, very pleasant, very windy. So, just in case you're interested, it's not a download, I was there. Right, let's just tackle some questions. 6.1, I'm going to go for the very first question. So, I've got a list of numbers in 6.1, so question 1. I've got some lists. I've got a 4, a 6, a 14, a 5, and a 1. I've got to work out mode, median, mean, and range. Well, let's just do the mode first. Well, the most common, there isn't a mode. No mode, there is no common number in the list. There isn't the most frequently occurring number there. There's one of each. There's no mode. Alright. Secondly, median. Let's arrange it in order first. 1, 4, 5, 6, and 14. Now 6 look better. Right, can you see? 5 is right in the middle. Therefore, the median equals 5. Next one, the mean. Well, let's add them up, shall we? 4 plus 6 plus 14 plus 5 plus 1. What have we got? 14 and 6 is, well, that's 20. 24, 29 plus 1 is 30. So the total is 30. So we have 30 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the mean is 6. Finally, we'd work out the range. Biggest take away smallest. Again, there's no storyline here, it's just raw numbers. The biggest is 14. Take away the smallest, which is 1, gives it a range of 13. Alright, dead easy, isn't it? Right, let's just turn over. Going on to page 73, operating sort of grade F, that sort of thing. Bit of a storyline behind this one. We have 3 guys here. We've got Josh, we've got Nicola, and we've got Shelley, otherwise known as Michelle to her mother, especially when she's angry with her. They bought some sweeties. Josh spent 62 pence on sweets, Nicola spent 48p on sweets, Shelley spent 70p on sweets, and the question says they share the sweets and they share the cost of buying the sweets as well. How much do they each have to pay? Well, clearly we have to work out a mean average for that one, so let's just add them up. 62, 48 and 70. Grab my machine quickly. Actually, I'll do it without. So 70 plus 60 is 130. 130 plus 40, 170 plus 10, 180. So here we go, 180 pence in total. So the mean is 180p shared amongst the 3 of them. They're going to have to pay 60p each on average, and that is the mean. Alright, dead easy. And it asks us in part B, what is the name of the average you have calculated? I have calculated the mean. So that's done as well. Question 4 is one of these things we have to, a variety of answers. Question 4, page, where is it, 73. A number of answers may work. I've got the mean of 4 numbers is 10. So problem solving here. The mean is 10. I've got 4 numbers. 3 of the numbers are 8, 9 and 10. So I've got to find the 4th number, and the mean of them is 10. Well, if I add them up so far, I have got 19, I've got 27 so far. Now, if it's the mean of 4 numbers, and the mean is 10, then the total's got to come to 40. So to find the last number, I take my 40 total of all the 4 numbers, take away the 27 for the 3 I've got, that leaves me with 13. So the mystery missing number is 13. Any more like that? Let's try question 6 here as a problem solving thing, and we'll go for it. Right, the mode of 5 numbers is 8. Right, 3 of the numbers are 6, 7, 8. Now, for me to have a mode of 5 numbers, I've got to have at least one more 8 somewhere. Right, I'm just thinking out loud here. The remaining 2 numbers are different to each other. Write down a possible pair of values for the other 2 numbers. Well, one has got to be 8 for a start. The most common is 8. 3 of the numbers are that, that and that. The remaining 2 are different from each other. So, here we go. As long as the mode is 8, I can live with that, and the second number can be different. So if I go for 9, then I've still got the mode is 8. The remaining 2 numbers are different. Yeah, so I chose an 8 to match the mode, and I chose the 9 because I could. I could have gone 6, 7, 8, 8, and gone for anything there. I don't know, 29. Or I could have not gone to the 29. I could have gone for a small number here, like 2. Either way, the thing is, I've got to have 5 numbers, and the mode's got to be 8, and I fulfill those conditions. Alright? So I'm happy with that.